and welcome back to our scrapbooking series. Today, we will use our scrapbooks to learn some hobbies vocabulary. Are you ready to get started? Yes! Let's get started.
Now let's create a section for hobbies in our scrapbooks. First, create the title, Hobbies. Decorate this, cut it and add it to the scrapbook. Now cut up some pictures or drawings of different hobbies and add this to your scrapbook too. Now write the names of the different hobbies on some colored paper. Cut this out and then add this next to or below each hobby's picture. What's your favorite hobby? Let me know in the comment section. Hobbies: painting, listening to music, drawing, reading books, and singing. Let's see how well you remember the hobbies. Let's play a game of palmanism. First, create the palmanism board. Then in each block, write the names of the different hobbies. Palmanism is a memory game. For this game, you need 2 players. Player 1. Look at the board for a few seconds. Player 2. Cover the board. Player 1. Close your eyes and try to remember where the matching pair needs to go. So we've got drawing pictures, reading books, listening to music, painting, singing, and a mystery. We don't know what it's going to be. Now let's have a look at some pictures and see if we remember where they need to go. We've got 6 pictures, 5 hobbies, and 1 mystery. I think I know. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to try to put it in the correct places. Now I'm going to open my eyes to see if it's correct. Oh no! That's right, drawing pictures. Reading books. Listening to music. Painting. Over there. Singing, and the mystery. What is this? Gardening. That's the mystery hobby.
Now we've learned some hobbies vocabulary and played a fun memory game. That was so much fun. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel to join me next week for some more scrapbooking fun. Goodbye!